Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to all of you on the platform of Exampur. I am Sanjay Singh Tomar, your maths mentor, and few days are remaining, guys. I know it's a very important time. So a small session or maybe a session over the time speed distance is very required at this moment of time, because as you know, how much is the weightage running of TSD these days is also very important point. So we are going to do a practice session over the TSD. Once you join me, please do not forget to let me know by your comments about your joining as well. Okay, so good to have you all over here, guys. Once you join me, please do not forget to let me know by your comments about your joining as well, so that I would be aware who are with us. Is it properly visible? The first question of the day. The first question of the day, guys. Is it properly visible? Please do the sharings of the session as well. Once you join me, please do the sharings of the session as well. Hello, Harish. Hello, Vinod. A very good evening. Very good evening. You all are highly welcomed over the platform. Such a great time to have you all over here. And we are doing the TSD practice session. You would be very happy to know that there are not more than one problem in TSD. So you can expect maximum of one question per shift. Increase. Good evening, everyone. Good evening. Please do let me know. Please do let me know by the comments. Now it's great. It's great. It's cool. Hello, Envy. Hello, Envy. How are you? Shrivani. Boat can cover a distance of 56 km downstream in 3.5 hours. So downstream speed is 3.5 kilometer. Sorry, 56 kilometer. 56 kilometer in 3.5 hours. In 3.5 hours. 7 5 ja, 7 8 ja. 80 by 5, 16 kmph. Downstream speed is 16 kmph. Hello, Vinod, Anupam, Shrivani, Shohan. So good to have you all over here. Speed of boat, speed of still water. How much time will the boat will take to cover a distance of 41.6 kilometer downstream? Guys, this is a loophole. Have you identified that only the speed of downstream is required to find out the answer? And it is already known to us. So why would we use this data? Ultimately, they are asking that how much time will it take to travel 41.6 km in downstream. So only the downstream speed is sufficient for us to answer the question. Only the downstream speed is sufficient for us to answer the question. So we would not be using this data. 41.6 kilometer, speed of downstream is 16. 16 2 ja 30, 32. 16 6 ja 96. Good evening, everyone. Perfect. So this was the exact question which has come up in the examination. The examiner is trying to divert you to find out the speed of boat, speed of water and all this, but you stay intact and you were not diverted to any one of these information. You directly find out your answer by using the speed of downstream. Hello Harika, good evening. How are you guys these days? Perfect. Please don't guys overthink. You all are very prepared. I know about it. Just guys go with the flow. You know, you all are very good prepared. Yeah, never ever take any kind of tensions about the preparations. I know guys, you all are very well prepared. Just have faith on you. These days are a little bit difficult, but still, you have to go through them. A train covers a distance of 225 km in 2.5 hours with a uniform speed. What is this? What is this? Sohan, absolutely guys, what is this? 5 by 2, 5 hours. What was this? Good evening, Mandhana. Okay guys, there is a very important information from the Ssc English medium that if you want to buy the course, guys, like obviously we have started the CHSL course and there is a flat 75% discount available on that code. Yeah. Next. Mandhana, how are you? Good evening, every one of you. So average speed. Average speed. Average speed is coming, guys. We have worked hard a lot over average speed. Average speed is coming. We have worked hard a lot over the average speed. Now it's time to return it back. It's time to return it back. Well done, Shohan. I'm good, Mandhana. Average speed is, is total distance upon total time. Total distance upon total time. Okay. They have given the time, guys. They have given the time. So I would be dealing it in this manner. I would be dealing it in this manner that 5x distance with the speed of 5. So 5x distance with the speed of 5, total time taken is this. X distance with the speed of 5, time taken is x by 5. Distance upon speed. And 4x distance with the speed of 6, time taken is 4x by 6. So this is the total time taken. So this is the total time taken, guys. What is this? This is the total time taken. This is in kilometer, this is in kilometer per hour, so time should be in hours. Time should be in hours. Convert this 112 minutes into hour, divide by 60. Convert this 112 into hour, divide by 60. Because we need to take care of the unit balance as well. 5x plus x, 6x by 5 plus 4x by 6 is equal to 112 by 60. Take the LCM, 30. This is 36x plus 520x is equal to 112 by 60. Simplify, I think this is 56 by 30 as well. So 56 by 30x is equal to 56 by 30. So x is 1. So x is 1, my dear. Well done, Charlie and Harish. Well done, Charlie and Harish. Great. What is the total distance traveled? Initially 5x, then x, then 4x. So total distance is 10x. X is 1. If you want to take some risk, guys, you can take to be x as an integer, but I would not recommend, guys. I would not recommend to take a risk of x as integer and marking 10 as the answer directly, because x can come in the fractions as well. Then you will be like saying, sir, we have done the error, which I don't want in any case. Perfect. Is it properly okay? That was one of the questions in which this total time, this is the total time, distance upon speed, distance upon speed, distance upon speed is given as 112 by 60. Let's move on. See more new innovations in the field of STD. See more innovations in the field of TSD. What they have in their bag. What SSC have in their bag, guys, in the TSD. Let's watch out this. And crack all the latest problems. A journey of 900 kilometers. Sohan, you are good fast. You are very good fast. Sohan and Charlie, you can compete. You can compete. Sohan, Charlie and Harika and Vinod. You should compete. Minute to minute or second to second. A journey of 900 kilometers is completed in 11 hours if 2/5 of the journey is completed. Okay. What is 2/5 of the journey? If 2/5 is completed, 3/5 is remaining. What is 3/5? 3/5 of 900, that is 540 is remaining. 540 kilometers is remaining. 540 kilometers is remaining. The total distance needed to be covered in 11 hours. Okay. What is 2/5? 2/5 is, I think, 360. Very clearly visible. So that the sum is 900. Now, 360 you are traveling with the speed of 60. So time taken is 6 hours in the first portion. In the first portion, time taken is 6 hours. Total is 11 hours. So you have 5 hours to cover this. You have 5 hours to cover this because total time available with you is 11 hours. 6 hours is spent in the first portion. So only 5 hours are remaining for the second portion. So speed should be 108 km per hour. Speed should be 108 km per hour. Well done, Charlie, Shuhan, Vinod, Haris, Mandhana, Shrivani. All of you have done it absolutely correct. Sam Moses, all of you have done it absolutely correct. So now I will keep a check over the speeds of yours as well. I will keep a check over the speeds of yours as well. Please give me some higher speed answers. Some very dedicated, very motivated, fast answers. All are CGL 2021, okay? All are CGL 2021. No back content. Only latest and updated content. No backdated. Come on, guys. I have a keen observation at your answers. I want to declare who is the best at TSD. Shohan, wow. Okay. Someone more, someone else. Charlie, Harika, Vinod, Mandhana, Harish. Shyam drives his speed 30 km at the speed of 45. Okay, you know, guys, average speed, it is all about total distance upon total time. Total distance upon total time. Initially, he is driving for 30 km. Then, finally, with the speed of 51, he is driving for 1 hour 20 minutes. So, the second part of distance is 51 km. And 1 hour 20 minutes is 1 plus 1 by 3, that is 4 by 3 hour. 4 by 3 hour. 51. What is this, bhai? This. 51 into 4 by 3. Second part of distance is 68 kilometer. Second part of distance is 68 kilometer. So total distance is 98. Total distance is 98. Obviously, speed should be a factor of 98. 49 is the answer. Speed should be a factor of 98. So you will say, sir, 48 is the 49 is the only option possible. However, let's do it completely. What is the time in the first portion? 30 kilometer with the speed of 45. 30 kilometer with the speed of 45 is about, if I talk it out in the minutes, 40 minutes. And what is the time in the second portion? Already given, 1 hour 20 minutes. So 98 kilometer in 2 hours. Speed is 49 kmph. All great problems of average speed are made by total distance upon total time. All great problems of TSD are average speed are made by total distance upon total time. This 40 minute has come up from where? Initial 30 kilometer with the speed of 45 kmph. Okay, perfect. So a new innovative question, definitely an innovative one. Please do the liking part as well if you're liking the session, and do the sharings as well, guys. Do the sharings as well, because that is also very, very important for us. That is also very, very important for us. Come on, I'm waiting. A train leaves station A at 8 and reaches at 12. 8 a.m. to 12 noon. Duration of journey is 4 hours. Duration of journey is 4 hours. Harika and Sohan are the fastest. Another train leaves B at 8:30 and reaches at the same time. So same time means 12 noon. Duration of journey half hour less. I think 3.5 hours. Step 1 is finding the duration of journey. Step 1 is finding the duration of journey. Duration of journey. What is the step 2? Assume distance, LCM. Assume distance as LCM. What is the LCM of 4 and 3 by 7 by 2? 28. What is the speed? What is the step 3? Find out speeds. Find out speeds. Step 3, find out speeds. Okay, 28 kilometer in 4 hours. 28 kilometer in 4 hours, speed is 7 kmph. 28 kilometer in 7 by 2 hour, speed is 8 kmph. How I'm doing it? I'm doing it 28 by 4, 7, and 28 by 7 by 2, 8. What is the speed? What is the step 4? The step 4 is time balance. Time equal. Means time equal. Time equal. One it started at 8, another started at 8:30. So move it alone till for half hour. Move it alone for half hour. Move it alone for half hour from 8 to 8:30. With the speed of 7 in half hour, 3.5 kilometer would be traveled. Step 5. Apply relative speed. Apply relative speed. Apply relative speed. Okay, 3.5 kilometer is traveled. How much is remaining? How much is remaining? 28 minus 3.5, or you can say, sir, 24.5 kilometer. With the relative speed of one moving with 7, another moving with 8. 7 plus 8, 15 kmph. 24.8 divided by 15. 15 1 ja 15. Then 95. 15 6 ja 90. Then 5. 1.63 hour approximately. Convert into minute. Convert into minute. 63 hour into 60. Decimal, na? So you will take up the decimal in the below. This is 189 by 5. One hour 38 minutes, guys. 1 hour 38 minutes. They are going to meet after 1 hour 38 minutes after 8:30. (10:08) is the time in the clock. Very well done, Sohan. Very well done, Sohan. And who else? Everyone. Sohan, Charlie, Shrivani, Prajwal, welcome to the session. Is it clear to all? Is it clear to all, guys? Is it clear to all? Those who are very, very new to this question, please listen the solution 2-3 times. Those who are very, very new to the question, please listen the solution 2-3 times, guys. Yeah, it's one of the best questions of the relative speed. This is one of the best questions of the relative speed. You should be 100% knowing about it. Is it clear? If yes, please do let me know by your comments and by your thumbs ups. Convert 0.6 hour into minutes. You will convert into minutes, guys. Multiply by 60. Multiplying by 60, it will become 1 hour 38 minutes and like. How to convert minutes into hour? How to convert hour into minutes? Just multiply it by 60. Let's see whether it is powerful or not. Whether this is a power pack question or not. I will take it in two ways. One is those who have not studied that much concepts. Yeah, one solution is for them, and another solution is for the persons who have studied very diligently for complete year. There are two solutions, guys, which I am going to take. One for those who have studied superficial, but they are the knower of mathematics. And the second solution is for those who have targeted, who have worked hard a lot with me over the next 1 year. Those who does not know anything can do it by equation. Initially, A takes more time. So 160 kilometer by A minus 160 kilometer by B, time taken by A minus time taken by B is 8 hours. Those who does not know anything, they can do like this, and this is not bad as well. If A double is a speed, it still takes 3 hours more than B. So if A doubles is a speed, it still takes 3 hours more than B. Over. They are asking the speed of B. For the speed of B, can I say I have to eliminate A? For the speed of B, I have to eliminate A. So first make it 160 by 2A, okay, 2B. This is 4 hours. Now, how can you eliminate this, guys? How can you eliminate this? Equation 1 minus equation 2 is good. Minus, plus, minus. Gone. 160 by B positive and 160 by 2B negative. 4 positive, 3 negative, 1. So 160 by B is x, and this is x by 2. On subtracting x by 2 from x is about x by 2. So definitely if you want to do it systematically, you can do it. Otherwise, I know it will come 160 by 2b as 1. So b as 80. So b as 80. Well done, Sam, Moses, Shuhan, Shrivani, Prajwal, Harika, and everyone else. For the students, guys, those who have not worked hard too much, but still they have a good sense of humor, they have a good sense of thinking, and without even knowing too much of things, they can resolve the problems, they can solve the problems. This is best for them. But those who have learned the TDF with me, time difference formula, those who have learned TDF with me, they would be saying, sir, A is doubling its speed. A is doubling its speed. Initially, it takes 8 hours more, and now it takes 3 hours. So, covering a 5-hour gap. Because of doubling speed, because of doubling the speed, A is covering 5-hour gap. So, 160 kilometer. Initially, A, finally 2A. Difference of A covering 5 hours. Okay, my dear. 3 hours more, 8 hours more. Yeah. So gap is 5 hours. Gap is 5 hours. So speed of A is 16. Speed of A is 16 from the first equation. Okay. Speed of A is 16. And A takes 8 hours more than B. No, why not do it directly, dear? Directly, dear. Okay. A is 16. Speed of A is 16. What is the time taken by A then? 160 kilometer in 16 hours. Time take with the speed of 16, time is 10. So A takes 8 more than B. So B only take 2 hours in traveling 160 kilometer. Speed of B 18 kmph. Please do see this as well. A is changing speed from single to double. A is changing speed from single to double, or doubling his speed. So I applied the TDF in A. A, 2A, A. Time difference 5 hours, 160 kilometer, speed of A 16. Speed of A 16. Time taken by A, 160 kilometer in 6 with the speed of 16, 10 hours. What is the time taken by B? A takes 8 hours more, so B will take 8 hours less. So 2 hours. 160 kilometer in 2 hours, speed of B is 80 kmph. There are a lot of 8 multiples. Huh? Perfect. Perfect. This is TDF. This is TDF. TDF can make it definitely very, very shorter, but you can go for what do you say? The equation writing as well. That is also not bad either. That is also great. No, it's not S1, Sushil. It's, oh, Sushil. Dear, it was not S1. TDF was, distance is S1, S2 upon S1 minus S2 into time difference. So you got confused. S1 was A, S2 was 2A, and 2A minus A is A. Don't make wrong concepts at the exam time. Don't make wrong concepts at the exam time. So, Sheila, you're working hard for quite some time now. It is not the time where you can do such errors. Okay? Please do like the session as well if you are liking it. Please do like the session if you're like, oh, well done, Bunty. Bunty. 27 kilometer upstream plus 33 kilometer downstream in 6 hours. 36 kilometer upstream and 22 kilometer downstream in 6 hours. By seeing both multiple of 11, it should be tried with 11 first. It should be tried by 11 at least once. So try it by 11. 11, 3 hours over here. So 3 hours is remaining for this portion. So 27 by 3, U is 9. Upstream 9, hello Amrita. Downstream 11. Only we can take the values if they satisfy this equation as well. Only we can take these values only if they satisfy this equation as well. If I take upstream 9, it is 4 hours over here. If I take downstream by 11, it is 2 hours over. It is satisfying. It is satisfying. So values what we assumed based on the factors of 33 and 22, based on the factors of 33 and 22 are absolutely perfect and are absolutely satisfying our equation. So downstream is 11 and upstream is 9. How much time will it take to travel 36 kilometer upstream, 36 kilometer upstream and 44 kilometer downstream? Upstream is 9 and downstream is 11. 4 plus 4, 8 hours. Cool. Cool, guys. Come on, tell me. So you can assume the values provided they satisfy both the equations, and you have taken the help of factors, you have taken the help of multiples in assuming it, and that was really a great sign done by you. Well done, Bunty, Shohan, Amrita, Prajwal, Srivani, Harish, Sam Moses, Harika, Bunty Sarma, and everyone else. Let's move on. Some questions of ratios I am also taking. So guys, their weightage are decreasing little bit. These days, ratios and time, speed, distance weightage is decreasing. You won't believe, I only find one question per shift from TSD and ratios. Their weightage is taken by advanced these days. Okay, so advanced is capturing these topics. However, I want arithmetic more at the pre and advanced more at the mains. Let's see what happens. Because advanced I can make you prepare at the time of mains as well. Well done, Shohan. If it is correct, obviously. A number is first increased by 15%. 15% is the increase of 3 over 20. So it is becoming 23 by 20. If it is increased by 15%, increment of 3 over 20, so it is becoming 23 by 20 of itself. Well done, Amrita. Then reduced by 15%, reduction of 3 over 20. So becoming what? Becoming 17 by 20 of the previous value, which is equal to 782. Whose table you know better? I think 13. Sorry, 17. Even 23 is very simple. 17 4 ja 68. Then 102. 17 6 ja 102. 2. So number is 400 into 2 800. Number is 400 into 2 800. Now, if the same number is first increased by 25%, 25% is an increment of 1 over 4, that is becoming 5 by 4. Then increased by 25%. Oh, reduced and increased. Chalo, I've taken the increased. Now I'm taking the reduction. Reduction of 1 over 4, 3 by 4. And finally, reduction of 20%. Reduction of 1 over 5, so 4 by 5. $200 into 3, 600 is the answer. Okay. Oh, yeah. I've taken it consideration. This value I have written later and this value I have taken initially. Okay. Order is not important. You can take anything before, anything after. Order is not important. So if I have taken this 25% reduction later, I have taken this 25% increment initially and then 20% reduction. Then 20% reduction. Let's move on. So all the good questions, guys, I've kept up in a single session because this is what your latest exam is. Should I also read it? Rajan spent 10% of his salary on the rent. He spent 20% of the remaining. Okay, good. Remaining. If the word remaining is coming one after another, it's a good sign for you. After which he spent 40% of the remaining. Good. If it is always remaining, then it's comparatively easy. Further, he spent 80% of the balance, 80% of the remaining. Okay. Successive. So it is basically successive. So initially, let's suppose he spent 10%. He spent 1 over 10. So how much is remaining? 9 by 10. I'm more interested in how much is remaining. How much is remaining? This is I'm more interested in. 9 by 10 is remaining. Of this 9 by 10, he spent 20% of the 20% is a spend of 1 over 5. So how much is remaining? 4 by 5 of this. And this successive we can only apply. This successive we can only apply till everything is calculated over the remaining. Yeah, everything is calculated over the remaining. Now, after which he spent 40%. 40% is a spending of 2 over 5. So 3 by 5 of the initial is remaining. 3 by 5 of the initial is remaining. Now, so this is the amount with which you, of it is spent 80%. So 80% is about 4 by 5 is spent. So 1 by 5 is remaining. So 1 by 5 is remaining. Now, this is the fraction remaining, guys. This is the fraction remaining. 36 into 3, 108. 50, 250, 1250. So, remaining over total fraction is 108 upon 1250. Remaining over total fraction is 108 over 1250. Now, he deposited 5,000 exact rupees. So, this 5,000 is remaining with him and 1840 is also remaining with him. So, the total remaining with him is 6480. 6480. Total remaining with him is 6480. 6 times. 1 more 0, 60 times. 2 zeros in the last. 125 into 6 is 7,500. 750. Answer. It was a good one. What do you say, dear? Yeah. It was a good one, I think. CGL 2020, guys. CGL 2020. Thank you, Samos. But guys, this successive you can only do if it is always over the remaining. If it is one part is if one part is of the total, then you will go for that round method, 100, 120, this. If the entire question is in the 80% of the remaining, 20% of the remaining, 30% of the remaining, successive, it is being called as successive. If the entire question is in the successive, then you would be definitely going for it. Okay. Looking pretty easy. Looking pretty easy. So total is 12 plus 9, 21. 21 is total. This 21 is total. 1 is 500. So 5 is 5 into 5, 2500. 7 is 3500. And 9 is 4500. This is the initial division. This is the initial division. if each one gets 500 more, then the monies with them are 3,000, 4,000 and 5,000. Would be in the ratio 3:4:5. Would be in the ratio 3:4:5. Yeah, pretty easy one. But decent enough, guys. Decent enough. First, divide the initial amount in the initial given ratio. Find out the multiplication factor. Find out the multiplication factor. According to ratio, total is 21. 21 is given as this. 1 is 500. So 5 this, 7 this, 9 this. Now, they want 500 more. They want 500 more. If each one of them get 500 more, their new ratio would be 3:4:5. Let's see what it is looking like, a dangerous one. Yeah, I have to see it as well along with you. Should I read over there? Anupam, just scroll bit so that I can also read the question. Not like this, towards the top. Okay, great. Okay. In a factory with 400 employees, the ratio of male and female is 5:3. There are 87.5 regular. Okay. Not difficult. Not difficult here. Male regular, female regular, overall regular. Male regular 92%. Female regular, I don't know. And overall regular 87.5. Okay. I'm applying the allegation. I just want the ratio of male and female. So male and female is in the ratio 5:3. Male and female is in the ratio 5:3. Bigger minus middle. If one is bigger, another should be smaller. Answer should be less than 87.5. Answer should be less than 87.5. This minus this is 4.5. So 3 is 4.5%. So into 1.5. 5 is going to be 5 into 1.5. That is 7.5%. If one is greater than another should be small by the margin of 7.5. 80%. A perfect case of allegation. A perfect case of allegation. Is it absolutely clear? Is it absolutely clear, guys? There was nothing in this question. Yeah, it was only appearing dangerous. It was only appearing dangerous. There was nothing inside it. Isn't it? Come on. Perfect. Let's move on. Okay, guys, come on, tell me what should I be doing and how can I help you in the last 2 days? How can I help you the most in the last 2 days? Come on, tell me, guys. What are your requirements? Any requirement, any formula session, whatever. Okay. Should I give a formula session, guys? Tomorrow onwards. Should I give 2 formula session, guys, in 5 to 6? Or do you want CISI sessions, specific? All question 2021, 2022. I think there are 2 options left with now, as most of the topics I have already taken. So the 2 options with us are now either take 2 formula sessions or take 1 CI and 1 SI session. or maybe 2 SICI sessions. And obviously, those who are the shifts are becoming late, then we would be keep on taking the sessions. But for the first shift, first day aspirants, formula sessions, okay. Oh, I personally believe it should be correct data, huh? Formula sessions, okay, Amrita and Sam, okay. A ratio B 9:8 and A ratio C is 4:5. Make A equal, multiply by 4 over here, multiply by 9 over here. So C is 45, A is 36 and B is 32. The share of B. The share of B is, this is your A, this is your B, this is your C. The share of B is 32, not the middle one. 81, 83, 83 plus 30, 113, 113. Oh, what a bad multiplication he has given. What a bad multiplication he has given, guys. So obviously this is more than 1/3. More than 1/3. So answer should be little bit less than 1/3. Is the answer is Chalo, let me try it completely. Two times. 226. 74 plus 18. 94, 94, 92. 926. 926 is getting approximately 8 times. 282. Okay, now it is going 282. Unit digit of 4. Unit digit of 4. Answer. 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 Well done, Sohan. Well done, Shrivani, Prajwal. Yeah, it was a bit calculative. It was a bit calculative. It was a bit calculative. Okay, great. Let's move on. Do some more questions. However, I know time is running. Where are the options? Okay, just do it without options. Yeah. No, don't always check the multiple of prime number. Don't always check the multiple of, yeah, 113 was 113 was prime. Then you can check the multiple of 16. Fourth proportional is same as the third proportional. Wow. Chalo, give the answers without options. Give the answers without options. The fourth proportional of this number, it is 12 by 18 is equal to 6 by D. D is 9. D is 9. Is same as the third proportional to these numbers. The third proportional is K, 6 and 9. When you do the proportionality among three numbers, what is the condition? B square upon AC. B square is equal to AC. Or you can say, sir, K by 6 is equal to 6 by 9. So K is 36 by 9, 4. B square is equal to AC. You can think like this as well. Sir, B square is equal to AC. That's pretty easy thinking. That's pretty easy thinking, but proportionals is also there. Let's move on. So guys, those who are not aware about the things, guys, you know, we have launched our SAFALTA batch as well. this time in the English medium as well as in the bilingual. I think there is 75% off running on. So please make sure you take the full benefit of it. The demos classes are also available. So what you need to do is go to the app and visit the demo classes guys. Okay. So demo timetable was there. You should have done the demos. If you have not done the demos, guys, go to the app and do the demos. There the demos are also available and actual classes are also started. This is for the Hindi medium batch. This is for our batch, which is the English medium batch. Yeah. Mathematics is running 3 to 4 on the app. Reasoning is running 4 to 5 on the app. Ankit sir is taking it. Science is running and English is running. So classes are started and demos are, like, you can see the demos as well. This I am leaving as a homework for you. This was a very, very famous once upon a time. This was a very, very famous, guys, once upon a time. You can be doing it for sure. Let me see there is any other questions, unique questions available or not. Okay, you should be trying this as well. You should be trying this as well, my dear. Please do try this as well. If anything is stuck, call back me. Thank you very much, Shohan. Okay, these time and works we have done. Okay, so only 2 questions homework. I would be watching the comments that whether you have done it or not. If you don't able to reply as well, then also do it. If you don't able to reply as well, then also make sure you do it. Okay, bye bye, take care of yourself, have a great time, see you in the classes. Bye bye, take care.